Hello again guys, it's Daniel Joseph and thank you for watching my video. As you can see, we have a water leak here. This is a Worcester Bosch boiler. Right now the leak that you see is coming from what we call as engineers water flow sensor. The water flow sensor is not the issue, it's the water flow sensor adapter that is an actual problem here. And you're going to see me attempt to remove the water flow sensor and the housing and replace with new ones. So the first thing you saw me do was isolate the water, and then I removed the pressure gauge and then the circlip for the water flow sensor, and you can see I've